How to create Walmart MoneyCard account 2025 and get free virtual Mastercard. Go to walmartmoneycard.com. Click Open an account. Fill up CAPTCHA and get started. Input email address and continue. Input name and continue. Input address, city, state, zip code, and continue. Input phone number and continue. Input DOB and continue. Input SSN number and continue. Input username and continue. Input password and click Create Account. Success! Account created. Click Go to My Account. Follow now for account number and routing number. Follow now for debit card. This is your virtual Mastercard. Finished the tutorial. If you want more video like this, comment and subscribe our channel.